Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this ultimate mental flexibility meditation. This will be great for you if you're feeling mentally rigid or stuck within yourself, because it's going to get you loose and flowing and able to flex your attention anywhere you want effortlessly. Start off by getting into an upright, alert, and relaxed position and breathing deeply in through your nose all the way down to your toes. Ground yourself with the inhalation and exhale slowly out through the mouth. Breathe once more, a little bit deeper. Feel the flow of energy go down as you breathe. Feel it wash back up as you exhale out through the mouth. And now one more, the deepest, most vigorous breath yet. Breathe all that oxygen in, feel the energy filling you up. And let it flow slowly out through the mouth. And now with your eyes open on a spot in front of you, straight down the center of your line of vision, commit to physical stillness as consistently as you can in your mind now. Relaxed, upright, still, with your eyes open on a spot in front of you. Start to bring your attention to the tips of your index fingers. Feel the subtle tingling sensation at the tips of your pointer fingers. And now feel the tips of your thumbs. When thoughts and distractions come up, let them drop and be in the background. Keep your mind in a rhythm as consistently as you can. Now shifting to feel the tips of all of your fingers. Now extend into your hands and fingers. And all the way up your arms, feeling the currents of energy flowing calmly and subtly up and down the arms and hands. Expand into your legs and feet now without thinking, using your instincts. Feel your legs, feet, arms, and hands all at once. Let any muscular tension in your limbs relax subtly as you hold your attention on them. And drop them out of your awareness now as you bring your attention flexibly to your torso. Be aware of your stomach and chest, all the way around to your back muscles, feeling your core emanating and pulsating with the flow of oxygen as you breathe. Expand up into your neck and head, being aware of the top of your head all the way down to the base of your pelvic floor. And now with your eyes on the spot in front of you, without moving your eyes, start to be aware of everything in your peripheral vision. Notice how you can see everything without moving your eyes, just using your peripherals as you allow the vision to expand all the way to the edges, to the corners of your vision. Notice the details starting to come to life in the field of vision without trying. Just notice how you can effortlessly see the details of everything in the field of vision with your instincts now. And flip the switch in your brain to the auditory awareness as you start to hear the sounds around you. And notice the sounds in the distance. All the sounds, near and far. And start to hear the details of those sounds, absorbing yourself in them. And now let go of that and collapse your attention back in towards your body, feeling your head, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, torso, the whole upper body at once. expanding down into the legs, all the way down to your feet as you feel that wave of awareness expand into the entire body now, head to toe. Notice how you don't need to think, but like a spotlight, you can simply hold your awareness on your body head to toe, like one mass of vibrating energy, effortlessly and directly balancing your attention on it. Feel the subtle expansion and contraction of that energy of the body with the breath as it comes to you. And now drop the body from your awareness and start to absorb the attention back into the field of vision. And the sounds at the same time, seeing everything without moving the eyes, hearing everything at the same time with your instincts absorbed in those two senses. And now start to be aware of the immediate space around you, whether it's a room or an outdoor space. Sense and feel the limits of that immediate space. Feel your attention and awareness expanding in 360 degrees as you start to become aware and alert and absorbed with your attention in the immediate space around you. Start to put 100% of your awareness on the space as if you're becoming that immediate space or room with your awareness now. And now collect and gather your attention back in towards your physical body, feeling the limits of that head to toe and staying within that for a few moments. And once again, go back out towards the room with your awareness, feeling that expansion, flex, but going past the room now as you feel it expand slowly and steadily. And expanding your awareness into the greater space as far out as you can feel it, whether that's the town or city around you, or whether that's the entire Milky Way, it doesn't matter, but sense and feel that greater space, feeling it, not thinking it. Feel it like a giant cosmic yawn, as if you're stretching your legs out limitlessly and enjoying the feeling of expanding past the normal limits of your awareness, feeling that greater space in detail in this moment. And now gently flex your attention back in towards the room or your immediate surroundings. Feel the grounded safety and familiarity of these surroundings as you hover here, floating with your awareness in this space for a moment. And now re-expand one final time into space as far out as you can feel. Feel all the cosmic details in this moment happening spontaneously, moment to moment. Totally aware of yourself, everything that you can feel, sense, and perceive in this moment in vivid detail with a relaxed attention. And now guide yourself back towards the room or your surroundings, and back in towards your body, feeling the gentle buzz of energy head to toe effortlessly. And now back to the tips of the index fingers with a calm laser focus, feeling those buzzing details. Feel the fluid flexibility of your focus, how it moves effortlessly, and when you feel ready, close your eyes for a brief visualization. With the eyes closed, allow yourself to rest within as you feel everything slow down 10 or 20%. Allowing the breath to come to you slowly as you keep your mind awake and alert. Feel all the muscular tension melt away effortlessly as you breathe. And allow yourself to melt into the space around you. And now I invite you to visualize yourself for the rest of your day, totally calm and relaxed, and moving your attention fluidly, intuitively, and effortlessly in whatever way serves you moment to moment. See and feel in your body that gentle, joyful flow of attention as the current of energy moves along with wherever you choose to place your focus. And when you feel ready, allow your eyes to open and carry that flexible focus with you back into your day now, one moment at a time, feeling the rhythm and pace at which you move unfolding naturally now, allowing yourself to be harmonized to each action, each moment, moment to moment. If you enjoyed this, treat it like you're building a muscle and practice it regularly. I invite you to share this session with anyone you think it might be valuable to, and I wish you a fantastic rest of your day.